Chapter 3. Supporting Topic Development and Proposal Writing. Chapter Objectives. By the end of this chapter, the reader should be able to guide students in identifying, narrowing, and refining a viable research topic, support alignment between the research title, problem statement, questions, objectives, and methods, understand the components of a strong research proposal, prepare students for proposal review, ethics clearance, and institutional approval processes. 3.1. From Interest to Inquiry. Choosing a research topic. Helping a student select a research topic is one of the first and most important responsibilities of a supervisor. While students may arrive with a general area of interest, it is the supervisor's role to help them transform this into a clear, focused, and researchable question. Key aspects to consider. Relevance. Does the topic address a real-world or scholarly problem? Feasibility. Is the study doable within available time, resources, and scope? Originality. Does it offer something new, a fresh perspective, or a contribution to knowledge? Alignment. Does it suit the degree level and disciplinary norms? Early supervision should focus on sharpening the topic until it becomes manageable, compelling, and methodologically sound. 3.2. Ensuring conceptual alignment and coherence. A common problem in weak proposals is the disconnect between different sections. For example, a problem statement that does not match the research questions, or methods that cannot answer the posed questions. Supervisors should ensure the title accurately reflects the study. The problem statement is clear, evidence-based, and grounded in context. The research questions logically emerge from the problem. The objectives are specific and measurable. The methodology can validly and ethically address the questions. This alignment is foundational. Without it, a student risks drifting or facing rejection during proposal reviews or ethics applications. 3.3 Components of a high-quality proposal. Most postgraduate institutions require formal research proposals for approval. While formats vary, strong proposals generally include title, clear, concise, and reflective of the research focus. 2. Background and rationale contextualizes the issue and justifies its importance. 3. Problem statement defines the issue or gap to be addressed. 4. Research questions and/or hypotheses guide the investigation. 5. Aims and objectives clarify what the study seeks to achieve. 6. Literature review summary demonstrates understanding of the field and research gap. 7. Theoretical conceptual framework provides analytical lenses. 8. Research design and methods explains how the research will be conducted. 9. Ethical considerations identifies risks, consent, and compliance with ethics. 10. Work plan timeline maps key stages. 11. References uses relevant, credible, and recent sources. Supervisors should coach students on academic writing tone, clarity, referencing, and proposal formatting as per institutional guidelines. 3.4 Ethics and institutional approval processes. Before any fieldwork begins, students must receive ethics clearance. Supervisors are responsible for guiding this process, including helping students assess risk to participants and data, supporting the drafting of consent forms and information sheets, ensuring confidentiality, anonymity, and voluntary participation, navigating the university's Research Ethics Committee (REC) processes. Additionally, proposals often undergo departmental and faculty-level review. Supervisors should advise on presenting the proposal clearly and defensibly. 3.5 Supervisory strategies for proposal development. Some practical ways supervisors can support strong proposals. Regular brainstorming sessions to narrow ideas. Proposal writing workshops or peer review opportunities. Annotated exemplars of good proposals from previous students. Structured feedback cycles, moving from big picture to fine details. Checkpoint deadlines to keep students motivated and on track. Proposal writing is often the first major scholarly product a student produces. How they are supervised at this stage has lasting influence on their confidence and trajectory. Conclusion. The proposal phase is more than a bureaucratic requirement. It is a rite of passage. A well-crafted proposal demonstrates the student's intellectual readiness, methodological clarity, and ethical grounding. A thoughtful supervisor walks beside the student during this formative stage, guiding but not controlling, shaping without overshadowing, and ultimately helping them take ownership of their research. Tools and resources in this chapter. Topic: Feasibility and Focus Worksheet. Proposal Writing Checklist. alignment matrix template, title problem questions methods, sample proposal format, institution specific, ethics application support guide. Happy supervision!